Cool. Right there. Yeah. Hit it. That's great. I'm gonna work it. 2, 1. We got it. Alright, what is up YouTube? I'm back. I'm here in sunny London, as you can tell. It's actually been raining it's gonna rain for the entire day. It's been really fun out here. It's just like everywhere I've been, it's been really photogenic. The people are really nice. And speaking of, today we're shooting with the beautiful...
Hi, I'm Catarina.
Where are you from?
I am from Portugal, but I am based in London.
I get to meet a lot of models from around the world in LA, but in London, I'm meeting people I have not.
Here in London, you get to know the British culture, but also all the other cultures.
Yeah. I mean, I have not met many like Portuguese models. I was like wondering, how did you get here?
The industry is kind of small in Portugal, and I moved mainly because of my career and because I love the city.
It seems like you're really busy, which is good. Busy is good in this industry.
Yes.
So
much more work. When I was living in Lisbon, I used to travel around, like Zurich, Berlin. I used to come here to London just like a week. I fell in love with London, so I moved.
Did you drop everything? Like, what's your family and your friends think at home?
And my family and friends had like 2 months to prepare. When I moved, I already had an agency.
What do you normally get called for? Because you have a very unique look.
So about my look, I have this hair color for around 5 years. First, it started like being a natural ginger. Then I just wanted it brighter and brighter and brighter, and then it became orange. It's how I like to see myself. So yeah.
This is great. No, I was like, you get to be yourself and it just works out.
Yeah.
So our assistant just came. She's off camera right now. She doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm not going to put her on camera. But Edie is from Lithuania. So we have Lithuanian, Portuguese, and a guy from California. Not that uncommon in the entertainment industry, it seems. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this episode, and also make sure you subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm when you do either. You can follow along as I just keep going around the world, shooting with beautiful people and just like really interesting personalities all around. See you guys in a second. All right, I'm gonna give less direction. I'm just gonna keep shooting. Good to go. Nice. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. It's gonna be close-ups now. Very cool. Nice. Very cool. Love it. Okay, about 5 more. 4. 3. Go ahead and lean. Yeah. 2. Nice. Last one. Close up. Got it. Cool. Very cool. Nice. I love this look. Go ahead and look into the camera on these. Nice. All right, 5 more. 5, 4, 3. Nice. 2. 1. Got it.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing.
Holding. Hold, hold, hold.
Been so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant.
Go ahead and turn your face away.
Everybody was close to me.
Nice.
Stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West. I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning because something's gonna change my mind.
So we're headed to our next location. It is raining again. Not really complaining, because complaining about rain in London, I feel like it's yeah. So we're in Kensington. Is it actually pronounced Kensington? I feel like half the subway stations, when they have the names, it has nothing to do with the way it's spelled. Well, it's like
Some of them, they are pronounced in a different way,
yeah. So Kensington is probably like Cassing or something. I don't know. Or Booble Bop. It's really windy, it's really raining, but again, you can't complain about the local culture, because it's part of their culture, I think, to have rained. Not sure.
Yes.
And stop right there. Cool. Right there. Yeah. Hit it. That's great. I'm gonna work it. Full body shots. Nice. Great. Nice. Wait. Nice. Great. It's a different jacket, right? It's too cold. Okay, we're gonna keep it on. Okay, let's go and switch it up. Let's keep going for about 10 more shots. Great. Nice. Half bodies, full bodies. Nice. Okay, 3 more. 3, 2. Wait for background. And nice. Nice. And 1 more. Got it. Okay, let's go and get the interview. We're pretty much near the end of our shoot. Right now, the rain is getting really tough. Edie has to hold the gear, has to hold the umbrella. And then I'm worried about her because we're shooting in the middle of the road and I don't want her getting hit, because if she gets killed, that's a lot of paperwork for me, you know? So those are some of the stuff I'm thinking about as a photographer. So that's what my brain is. But as a model, Katarina, what are you thinking? Like,
Usually, I don't hate rain, but for shootings, I hate it because of my hair. Kinda hard to do some poses with so much wind, but you need to work with what you have, so.
yeah, speaking of which, we were not expecting that truck to roll up behind
No.
us and move. What are they moving? It looks like moving an entire house.
Yeah.
So this is what you got to deal with if you have 0 budgets. Photographers who are beginning, if you're dealing with this, yes, it's normal. You just got to punch right through it, have a great model you're working with, have a great crew who's helping you out, and just gotta reach out and do the best you can. So this is what you're seeing. You're seeing the dirty parts, but you're seeing the photos. We do not have to shoot that much for Katarina. Every shot that I'm trying to get with her, it's working out, and I'm really excited about it.
Thank you.
We are gonna walk back to the subway station.
The underground or the tube.
So they call it the tub here.
Don't even know I exist. You got me on your different list.
Let's go ahead and have you in front of the car now. Right there, perfect. Make sure we don't damage it. Nice. Eyes off. Keep going. That's great. And now, right in the middle. And Tell me I'm about to die. Nice. Last one.
We can feel the floor underneath our feet. Five shots through my chest.
Okay, I think we're about to do the last one right here and a little bit more. Go ahead and take a step. Step over here. Stop right there. Perfect. And eyes off in a couple and eyes on. Couple iPhone shots. Go and eyes off in the next couple. Eyes on right on the camera, last ones. And 3, 2, 1. We got it. If you haven't hit that like button, make sure you hit the like button. Hit that subscribe button if you like the episodes. I'm headed out to who knows where next. Follow me on Instagram and make sure follow Katarina on Instagram. I'm gonna put all the information here, up here, wherever YouTube is putting it up nowadays. All right?
Bye.
Bye.
One heart to survive when one just breaks. One slow suicide while one just takes and takes. One choice for the good of you, but not the one you make. One worth dying for if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the